Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, you're back with Math with McMurdo on YouTube. We've done a previous video where we had two of these problems and we had to estimate the differences. So now we're going to see estimating the sums. Again, the sum is an answer to an addition problem. So we look here about how much money does Millie make in a month. And they're telling us a month is 4 weeks. So generally, if you get a question that talks about a month, it's going to be 4 weeks. So again, we're going to have a variable. We're going to write an equation. M equals 440 times 4. If I put a number next to the parentheses, this just means multiplication. Now, why did I say this was an answer to a addition problem? Well, because I can make it an addition problem, because you know a multiplication is just repeated addition. So if I made it 440 plus 440 plus 440 plus 440. So now I have four 440s. So it's the same thing as multiplying 440 times 4. Now we have to make an estimation. So we want an estimation to be in our head. But if I have these like this, I don't have to estimate each of these to the same number. So I might think about, and you may do it differently, but I might think about making this one 400, making this one 500, making this one 400, and making this one 500. And that's just the way I chose to do the estimate. I could have made each of these 450. So I could have made them each 450, which is going to give me an answer closer probably. It'll give me an answer closer than this, maybe, if I do each one to 450. A little bit more difficult for you to possibly add these in your head, but if you know 45 plus 45 is 90, so I would have 900. 45 plus 45, I would have 900. And then my answer here would be 1,800 as my estimate for how much Millie would make in 4 weeks. If we went with the 400-500 pattern that I started with, 400 plus 500 is 900. 400 plus 500 is 900. 900 plus 900, and we get the same thing, is going to be 1,800. So either way, our estimate is 1,800. So your estimate, probably if you did this, would be somewhere near 1,800. Now, why is estimating important? Because if I did the actual answers to these, and I didn't get an answer close to 1,800, that tells me I made a mistake somewhere here. Okay, I either did my adding or multiplication or whatever incorrectly. And that's the clue. But if you don't estimate it, and then you just do 440 times 4, and you get a wrong answer, you're not going to realize it's wrong because you don't have something to compare it to in your estimating. So about how much money does Millie make in a month? She makes about $1,800 in a month. Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today. Like, share, and subscribe Math with McMurdo. Share it with your 27 friends.